Hello friends, a very good afternoon to all of you. I have come up with the second part of my previous video on parenting. Children do not learn through what the parents teach them, but they learn through the actions of their parents. So the parents must be very careful about what they do to their children and how they behave in front of them. The points which were left in my previous video will be discussed just now. Number one, if the child lives with approval, he learns to like himself. Let the child follow his own dreams. Do not burden him with your expectations, and never do anything in his life to satisfy your own ego and ambition. Then only your child will live life to the fullest and will learn to like himself. Number two, if the child lives with acceptance and friendliness, then he learns to find love in the world. Shower your unconditional love on your child. Be there always with him. Celebrate his every little achievement. Teach him good values and accept him for however he is. Do not compare your child with other children. And this is very important point, because comparison even with his sibling leaves a very bad impact on the child. So let them grow in your love and care. Number three, if the child lives with security, he learns to have faith. When you will always stand by your child, he will develop a sense of security, and in future, if he has to take any decision or he is in stress, he will surely have faith in you that you have solutions to all his problems. Number four, if the child lives with criticism, he learns to condemn. Criticism may have very bad effect on the growth, development and thinking of children. Parents cannot even imagine how bad its effect could be. They affect their overall personality. As the children absorb everything what they are told in their childhood years very easily, the criticism may become their actual personality and will surely come out in the form of condemnation from them. So that was it, and believe me, uh, believe me, I have a son of 21 years, and these all points are not bookish. These all the things which I have explained is based on my experience of 21 years. So I wanted to share with you all these things so that it may help you. Thank you. Bye bye.